Hello, this is Mustafa Sharaf speaking from SAP. In this video, I'm going to showcase how SMEs running the ERP Cloud SAP Business by Design can innovate and optimize their business with the help of the SAP Business Technology Platform. For example, in the field of transportation, particularly in the fleet management area. In fact, the SAP Business Technology Platform is the right platform to be for the intelligent enterprise, where customers and partners can leverage several intelligent technologies like the machine learning, artificial intelligence, and as well as SAP Internet of Things services. I'm quite sure that everyone is well aware about this popular term nowadays, the IoT, Internet of Things. IoT technology is used to transfer data over a network without any human interaction. Let's take, for example, IoT-enabled fleet management solutions, which can indeed help businesses not only to automate processes, but also to provide real-time visibility into everything that goes in the field. In these demonstrations, I'm going to show live an IoT-based dashboard for tracking and monitoring in the fleet management business, where you can see clearly the dashboard has been integrated within the Business by Design Service Desk module, thanks to the Business Technology Platform and as well the Business by Design Mashups feature. So let's start the action. I've got my sensor that is running live now, which is representing truck number 1. So let's say I've got my fleet, and through the installed telematic devices, which I can get the current GPS location along as with other environmental measurements like that, let's say indicate a health status of my shipments on the roadside. So like, for example, the lighting level, the temperature, the humidity, and the movements. Now I'm moving my sensor a little bit. You can see some changes in the movement. Even I crossed, for example, the value 50, which actually indicate the threshold for abnormality. So if there is any abnormality, supposing there is a bumping road or the driver is not awake or he is not driving or behaving well, so if the movement value goes over 50, I got let's say I should get an alert that represent a service request in the BYD back-end ERP system. And you can see also the orientation of the sensor that maybe represents the orientation of my products, which are really valuable in the container within that shipment or that truck, also are changing. So here, let's see, that's my location. I'm getting a service request already created after I cross the value 50. Let's do it again. When I really shake that sensor a lot, you will see some variable changes. Okay, so now let's see if there is something I have received in the service request area. Refresh. It's just taking a while a little bit, and then we should receive a service request coming in the back end. Yes, here we go. That's a service request we just received today, and that represents the account Server Star Wholesale Corp. And there were some shipments going to that account, but the truck is about to break down because of the abnormalities in the movement that are greater, or that is greater than the value 50, which is the threshold. After it, I really get an alert. And you can see here again, that's my sensor. I'm trying to move now and change also the movements and the orientation, and I can also go back and see the other trucks if there are any other trucks, maybe they are offline and so on. Okay, so this is it about the IoT demo, and now we have seen the real-time visibility and what it helps to gain flexibility in your business logistics, better planning and servicing, and surely quicker adaptability to changes in situation. With the Business by Design, I guarantee that you not only have a stable ERP, but also extensible, integrable solution that can let you really innovate, and it's open for integration. So thank you very much. For any inquiries, please reach to your regional channel sales manager or regional solution expert from SAP. Take care and stay safe.